Right guys, I'm Biasi and I've worked on this one before. So guys, if your boat is broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham, give me a call, yeah? But there's no lights, nothing, because the power's off. Let's see what happens. Okay, the flashing error code 09. Yeah. So what is 09? According to manufacturer instructions, error code 09 is a faulty flue start. So I got the cover opened. Flue start is this one. And I don't know if I got one in my stock. Go and check, yeah. Right, luckily I got one. New one. Out of my pocket, yeah. So a new one. Take that out. Hopefully get out. Go in. And this one goes in. And hopefully that I think I need a gas spanner. And that's it. Secure and let's do that. And the code's gone. It's fired up, the temperature is going up. And no more code error 09. Hot water?
Yeah, hot water now.
Oh, nice and hot now. You can see the steam coming up. It's alright, we can break. Right guys, sorted this boiler out. Easy repair. I've come here before and there was other problems last time. But anyway, it was a flue start that was gone on it. We sorted that out. At least you don't have to change the boiler now. Anyway, it's all working fine from. And hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Right guys, if you're in Sheldon somewhere and you want you're in the mood of having some Chinese food, come down to Wok. It's in Sheldon. Right, just there. Right guys, just our Wok Center. It's on Braze Road here. So if you need a Chinese takeaway, just come down. Right guys, like I said to you, it's a Wok takeaway, Chinese takeaway. Just in Braze Road.